Hey, it's Walter Van Usen at NAB Show 2024. I am with Brad Baker from Sound Devices, and we have two items to talk about. Overview, not specifics, but an overview about some upcoming software that's being released for the A20 Nexus Go, right?
Sort of, yeah, pretty much that. So we've got the version 10 firmware for the 8 series here.
For that.
Yeah, so this is for the 8 series, for the 853, the 888, and the Scorpio. To keep this kind of brief and a little overview, essentially we've got 32-bit floats coming. So this will be something which you'll have available on the internet.
Is that something new?
It's something new to the 8 series. It's something we've had on the Mix Pre before, but now we've brought this to the 8 series as well.
So that's big news.
Absolutely, it's big news. Something which has been requested for quite some time. We've also got daylight mode. That is big news. Users have wanted that for a very long time.
And that's on all 3 of these, correct?
At the moment, we've got it on all 3 of these, hence the white screen, so you can see this in brightness.
Oh yeah,
daylight.
that's kid
sunglasses as well. And we've also brought a range of routing capabilities, including on our SD remote, the physical routing control here. So kind of big news around that side. And then we've also, the other big news from the wireless side of things, we've got the 20 Super Nexus with us. It's not quite here, this is an expansion from the Nexus that we've got. The kind of key features there, it's a 16 to 32 channel single rack system. We've got 6 antenna inputs, so we can run what we call hex diversity. And this one also has a range of outputs, so that will do with MADI. With an expansion box, we can also run into an optical network.
So this is like hardware.
Yeah, this is the hardware. This is what we've got here. We've got it in the rack on the other side.
Which we have, we'll rotate from the software to the hardware. It's over there, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, so we'll segue from this section because and then we can just go right over to there. So the cool part of the big news for this is daylight and 32-bit. So that's huge.
And also the routing. So now when you're in playback, you can still have live outputs. And there's many more routing options.
So that's huge.
It is indeed.
Is there anything else over here that we should know about?
We'll also be releasing a handheld. We've got on display here at the moment.
Over there, right?
It's currently under glass, sealed, hermetically sealed.
So in other words, instead of using this,
wireless handheld.
And what systems can I go to?
This works with all of our receivers. So,
receivers. I got you.
Yeah. So once the handheld is released, it should be released to our September.
So that's huge news.
Again,
it's under glass over there. Oh, that's because I was always wondering why they don't have like this type of stuff at Sound Devices.
Yep, handheld is something we've done before. It's kind of a new thing for us. It's kind of tailored more towards a live sound.
What about you? So like what we're doing now, right? Oh, that's sort of neat.
So you're saying you're going to buy a Nexus Go and a couple of the handhelds once they're released?
How would that be?
Yeah.
So we're covered over here. Then we'll just rotate over there. So we're back over here with Brad Baker from Sound Devices, and he's just going to do a little overview of some new items in this section, and I'm going to give him the mic.
Oh, well, hey, I'll get to hold the mic as well.
Boom.
Today we're here on the last day of NAB with our A20 Super Nexus. This is a 16 through 32 channel wireless receiver in a single rack space. In addition to this, we've got the rear panel, which you can see here, and this has got we've got 6 antenna inputs available for this, which allows us to have what we call hex diversity. Diversity system over 6. Thank you. Over 6 antennas. In addition to this, we've got analog and AES outputs on AES type 72, so you can break out directly to XLRs. We also have Dante over fiber or over Ethernet, which we also use for our our IP control. And we also have dual MADI outputs, which with a clock for that as well. Underneath here, we've got the A20 Opto. So the A20 Opto allows us to integrate the Super Nexus into a Digico optical loop, so you can have everything just over their protocol. But also this gives an additional analog and AES outputs and a separately clocked MADI system, along with a redundant power supply as well. And then also alongside the Super Nexus, we're also debuting our handheld microphone, which we can see here. We can take this out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, now you're kicking the.
I said it was hermetically sealed earlier, but I lied. So yeah, this is the A20-HH. We'll have more information on this throughout the year, but this should be releasing probably around summertime. Kind of key features here is it'll have all the same wireless features as our standard transmitters, so 470 to 1525 megahertz spectral band tuning range. It will also have the NextLink long range control, and it will also have the built-in recording and transmit. But the key feature with this is we'll have interchangeable capsules, so you can use this with a variety of third-party capsules.
So this has been Brad and Walter at the Sound Devices booth at NAB Show 2024, and there's some very exciting stuff, to be honest with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, man.
You're welcome.